Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of ICSE Foundation Mathematics Class 10 by R.S. Aggarwal, World Brothers Publication, Chapter 23, Height and Distances, Episode 7.13.1. We are with sum number 25 and it goes like this. A tower subtends an angle alpha on the same level as the foot of the tower, and at the second point, height h meters above the first. The depression of the foot of the tower is beta, so that the height of the tower is h tan alpha dot cot beta. As well as second part is the angle of elevation from a point P of the top of the tower QR 50 meter high is 60 degree, and that of the tower PT from a point Q is 30 degree. Find the height of the tower PT. So let us draw the diagram. The diagram looks like this. PT is a tower and QR is also a tower. PT is smaller and QR is bigger, or you can say larger, or it's taller than that of PT, and height is small h for tower PT and height capital H for tower RQ. They have the angle alpha and beta. So tan alpha is equal to h upon x and tan beta is equal to small h upon x. So here it becomes x tan alpha and here it becomes x is equal to h upon tan beta. Now 1 upon tan beta becomes cot beta, so it becomes cot beta. So x equal to h multiply cot beta. This value is replaced here, so we get h is equal to h cot beta tan alpha. That is what we require to find. So hence proved. Let us move on to the second part of this question. It says the height of the QR is 50. So 50 meter is given, alpha is 60 and beta is 60. We directly put this thing in this formula. So we put h 50, small h we require to find out, cot b. So beta is 30 degree and alpha is 60 degree. Replacing, we get 50 is equal to h cot 30 degree multiply tan 60 degree. So 50 is equal to h multiplied by root 3. Root 3 means 3 goes down, so h is equal to 50 upon 3. That fetches h is equal to 16.666 meters, which is nearly to 17 meters. So this is the way we do sum number 25. I hope you understood. Let us move on to sum number 26. 26 says from the top of a cliff 60 meter high, the angle of depression of two boats are 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the distance between the two boats when they are, number one, same side of the cliff and opposite sides of the cliff. So first of all we'll do the same side and then we'll move on to the opposite side. First of all, same side. AB is the tower and CD are the boat. We have to find out the distance between C and D boats. So the angle of depression from the cliff is 30 degree and 60 degree. So tan 60 is equal to 60 upon x and tan 30 is equal to 60 upon x plus y. So under root 3 is equal to 60 upon x. Simplifying, we get, I have simplified 60 as 20 multiplied by 3 and 3 I simplified as root 3. Root 3 is 3 2 20s are 60. So just made it simplify in order to cancel this root 3. So we got x equal to 20 root 3. 1 upon root 3 is equal to 60 upon 20 root 3 plus 5. So we get y is equal to 20 root 3 is equal to 60 root 3. Now I hope you understood. This 20 root 3 plus y multiplies with 1 and root 3 multiplies with 60. Then 20 root 3 goes this side, so it becomes minus 20 root 3 minus 60 root 3 minus 20 root 3 gives you 40 root 3. So 40 multiplied by 1.732 gives CD is equal to y is equal to 69.20. This is our answer. So this is the distance between the two boats. Let us move on the other part where the boats are on the opposite side. So tan 60 is equal to 60 upon x and tan 30 is equal to 60 upon y. So here 60 upon x root 3, x is equal to 20 root 3. That is what we have done from here. So both of them are same. So x equal to 20 root 3. We get x equal to 34.64 and tan 30 is equal to 60 upon y. Y goes this side, root 3 goes this side, and if you multiply with, you get 103.92. It says the distance between C and D, two boats, when it is opposite to the cliff. So we have to add x plus y. So x plus y is equal to 34.64 plus 103.92. You get 138.56. So this is pretty simple, sir. This type of sums are likely to be asked in board examination. We'll move on to sum number 27. I hope you understood these two sums. So So let us see sum number 27. From the top of a hill, the angle of depression of two consecutive kilometer stone due cast are found to be 30 degree and 45 degree respectively. Find the distance of two stones from the foot of the hill. So C and D are the stones, distance is 1 kilometer, and AB is the hill whose height is h meters, and the angle of depression is found to be 30 degree and 45 degree, while x is the distance of the first stone from the foot of the hill. So tan 45 is equal to h upon x, therefore 1 is equal to h upon x, therefore x equal to h, and tan 30 is equal to h upon x plus 1, 1 upon root 3 is equal to x upon x plus 1, x plus 1 is equal to root 3x, so 1 is equal to root 3x minus x, so 1 is equal to x bracket 1 minus 732 minus 1, so 1 is equal to x multiplied by 0.732, so 1 upon 0.732 is equal to x, therefore x equal to 1.36 kilometer. This is the distance of the first stone from the foot of the hill, while the second stone we have to add 1 more kilometer, so 1 plus 1.36 gives you 2.36 kilometers. So this is the way we do the sum number 27. If you don't understand, please let me know in the comment box. Let us move on to the sum number 28. An aeroplane at an altitude of 1500 meters, find that the two ships are sailing towards it and it is in the same direction. The angle of depression observed from it are 45 degree and 30 degree. Find the distance between two ships. So AB is the height at which the plane is flying. C and D are the two ships sailing towards it, and the angle of depression is 30 degree and 45 degree. X and Y are the x is the distance between the first ship and the at which the aeroplane is flying, the height, and y is the distance between two ships. We have to find out the value of y. So tan 45 is equal to 1500 upon x. So 1 is equal to 15 upon x, after x is equal to 1500. So we got the value of x. Tan 30 is equal to 1500 upon x plus y. So 1 upon root 3 is equal to 1500 upon 15 plus y. Simplifying it, we get y is equal to 1500 under root 3 minus 1500. So 1500 common, 1.732 minus 1. So you get 1500 multiplied by 0.732. Therefore y is equal to 1098 meters. So distance between two ships is 1098 meters. That means 1.098 kilometers. I hope you understood these two sums. If you have any doubt or any questions, please let me know. We'll solve the other rest two sums. Thanks very much, guys. Sum number 29. An aeroplane at an altitude of 250 meters observed the angle of depression of two boats on the opposite banks of a river to be 45 degree and 60 degree. Find the width of the tower. AB is the height at which the aeroplane is flying, and it is 250 meters, and the two boats are on the opposite side of it with an angle of depression 45 degree and 60 degree. So C and D are the boats, and AB is the height at which the aeroplane is flying. It's important to draw the diagram, otherwise you will not able to understand the whole sum. So after drawing diagram and analyzing it, we get tan 45 is equal to 50 upon x, and tan 60 is equal to 250 upon y. Simplifying it, we get 1 is equal to 250 upon x, therefore x is equal to 250 meter, and under root 3 is equal to 250 upon x, therefore y is equal to 250 upon under root 3. So y is equal to 144.34 meters. Here it is asked to find the width of the river, that is CD. So it is x plus y. So x plus y is equal to 250 plus 144.34. You get 394.34. Approximately the width is 394 meter. Let us talk about the last sum 30. The horizontal distance between two towers is 120 meter. The angle of elevation of the top and the angle of depression of the bottom of the first tower as observed from the second tower is 30 degree and 24 degree respectively. Find the height of the towers. So here AB and CD are the towers. From the top of the tower D, that is top of the tower CD, from D, observing the top of the another tower with that angle 30 degree of elevation and depression 24 degree. So we get two triangles, and I have done here directly, that is tan 24 degree is equal to x upon 130, therefore 0.4452 is equal to x upon 120. Now 0.4452 is the value of tan 24 that you will get it from the log table, or you can say from the natural tens given at the back of your textbook. So x is equal to 0.4452 multiplied by 120, So x equal to 53.4. So you got the value of x, that is the height of one tower CD. So you got the tower 53.4 meter, but still we have to continue. So tan 30 is equal to y upon 120. 1 upon under root 3 is equal to y upon 120. Simplifying it, we get y is equal to 40 multiplied by 1.732. That gives the value y is equal to 69.3. So we have to add x plus y. So when you add x plus y, you get 122.7 meters. So one of the tower is 122.7 meters, and another tower is 53.4 meters. This is the end of our sum as well as with the chapter. If any of the sum or doubts are there, please let me know. If any of the sum is remaining, please let me know, and if any doubts are there, please let me know. I will do it in the next miscellaneous section. Thanks very much, guys.